Hey, beautiful souls. Welcome back to my channel Healings Valley, where we unlock the secrets to emotional freedom and deep healing. If you've been feeling stuck in depression, weighed down by emotions you don't fully understand, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing a powerful way to heal using the emotion code, an energy healing technique that has helped thousands, including myself, release emotional baggage and step into a lighter, happier life. The hidden cause of depression? Did you know that emotions from past experiences can get trapped in your body and energy field? These trapped emotions create invisible walls around your heart, drain your energy and keep you stuck in negative cycles. But the good news is we can release them. Using the emotion code, we can identify specific trapped emotions causing sadness, hopelessness, or anxiety and clear them using a simple yet powerful method. All you need is your subconscious mind, a little muscle testing, and a magnet or even just your intention. Let's do a quick healing session together. 1. Set your intention. Say, I am ready to release what no longer serves me. 2. Muscle test. Is there a trapped emotion contributing to my depression? 3. Identify the emotion. It could be sadness, fear, grief, or something surprising. 4. Find the origin. Ask if it's from your past, childhood, or even inherited. 5. Release it with a magnet or intention. Swipe 3 times over the governing meridian, back of the neck to the spine. 6. Feel the shift. Take a deep breath and notice any emotional or physical changes. Every time you release a trapped emotion, you lighten your energetic load, making space for joy, peace, and clarity. If this resonated with you, let me know in the comments. What emotion did you release today? And if you're on this healing journey, know that you are not alone. Every step you take is bringing you closer to your true, vibrant self. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's spread healing, love, and light together. See you in the next video.